Okay, I'm Tim Leonard and my role at Phocas is Product Manager and Product Designer. I think the ability to create a product, a software product that customers love is really what helps me get up in the morning. Customers particularly appreciate that Phocas is really designed for the non-technical users. We're empowering the business to get insights from their data. We're empowering them to uncover their own opportunities. They don't need to rely on an IT department or old-fashioned reports or anything like that. They can jump into the product and slice and dice themselves, and I think that is one of the biggest benefits.